think so, yeah.
I'm gonna ask him if I can use it to practice on a digital, to see if I really like a digital.
Oh. Let me see which one. This one?
Mm-hmm.
No, that's mine.
Okay.
There's actually photos still on it.
So there's a thing in there?
Nope, there's no memory card. It's all internal.
So what do you do? How do I, to get it out of there to get pictures?
You have to use USB.
Oh. Can I? Yeah. How do I look at the ugly photos you have on there?
Just push it down and cut up there.
Oh, go to the beginning.